In high-end coatings and ink production, insufficient pigment fineness can easily lead to poor color performance, low gloss, and sedimentation. It also increases resin consumption and drives up costs. Traditional equipment often struggles to achieve the ultra-fine particle sizes, making it difficult to meet the requirements of high-end industrial coatings and printing inks. To meet these demanding requirements, Boyee Industry provides a complete nano ink and coating solution, integrating 8 major systems, with full process automatic operation. Production capacities can be customized from 1,000 to 100,000 tons per year, meeting the needs of both specialty coating manufacturers and large-scale industrial producers, and delivering stable, efficient, and environmental production. The core horizontal bead mill combines dispersion and grinding in one process, simplifying the workflow and reducing material loss. Materials such as titanium dioxide, mica powder, calcium carbonate, and ferrous oxalate can all achieve nanoscale ultra-fine grinding. Supporting test data directly proves that the final product has concentrated particle size distribution and stable. Our products have been exported to more than 50 countries with a global service network. We provide free material testing, turnkey plant delivery, and on-site commissioning, along with long-term maintenance and spare part support, helping customers build high-quality production lines and achieve large-scale mass production.